Today we are reviewing Morphe's newest palettes. We have Going Platinum, Gold Seeker, and Rose to Fame. Let's swatch. Here we have Going Platinum, and we start it this way and over for the swatches. And those are the swatches. The silver looks absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to play with this one. So next we have the Gold Seeker. I absolutely love this palette. Look at the swatches. They're very beautiful. The gold is just perfect. And I can't wait to play with this one too. Next is the Rose to Fame. I've already done a look using this palette. I got this palette first. But this is the swatches. I really love it. The rose color is a little more brassy than it looks online, but I still really love it, especially when you get it a little bit wet. The color is just phenomenal, and I will tag the look I did with this palette at the end of the video. So we're going to use the Gold Seeker to do our look today. I am going to go in with Creme de la Creme to go over my eyes and right under and just build up a beautiful base. Just like that, build it up. Go a little bit underneath and do this a few times. So now we're going to use a blending brush and we're going to go in with Have Your Cake. And we are just going to outline this. I put on some tape, that way we have a good shape here. So just kind of bring it down, bring it over, and then bring it up here. Let's go in again and get this color going really nicely. And bring it forward. We're going to bring it down to the crease a bit and get a beautiful gradient going here. So just like this. Lovely. Make sure to blend it well too. Now the other side. Now we're going to go in with Fancy That and just highlight the edges a little bit more. That way it looks like a bit more of a gradient here. Not too much though. We're just trying to create more of a gradient. So next we're going to go in with Guilty Pleasure. I'm going to use my finger because sometimes I find that gives me the best pigment I can get. We're just going to bring it over and kind of make it seem like that beautiful gradient is just glitzed out. Just like that. A little bit underneath too. Now to finish this all off, we're going to use our blending brush and we're going to go in on Gold Seeker here. We're going to like just highlight some edges here and give it this extra gorgeous golden shimmer. Lovely. I really like it. It shows up a little bit better on, not on camera, but here. See that gold shimmer where that one doesn't have it? Beautiful. Such a gorgeous gradient. So I'm going to do that to the other side. I'm going to put on my mascara, do some finishing touches, and we'll see the final look. But this is just satisfying. Perfect. So this is the final look with the palette. I'm absolutely in love with these palettes. I've only tried 2 out of the 3 so far, but if the third's anything like the prior 2, it's going to be fabulous too. And I will be doing a video where I do a makeup look with it. The gold is just so gorgeous. I'm pretty sure these are going to be limited edition, so I'd go to Sephora and get these right now. I love it. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's rich, it's easy to blend, it's gorgeous. And this is how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I can't wait to see you next time. Like, comment what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more. Bye.